y'all notice this morning, we are about to take you into the lighthouse thing. But what does the lighthouse do? What's the lighthouse for? To guide, right? And how do you get guided though? Because of the light. And what that light do? Shine. And it's sweet. It go around, right? Don't it go all the way around? Like that? And then it sweeps the shore, right? And if you close enough by it, you can see it real bright. But even if you far out in the distance, you still see it. And like you said, it do what? Guide you right on into the chute and guide you safely into the chute. So it's no doubt that God had it, that we were to begin this year with what would be the Lighthouse Theater, because y'all obviously saw that light way out on the shore, way in your yard this morning, way in your hotel rooms this morning, wherever you've been on the plantation, y'all saw that light this morning, and it guided you here. And so, as we get together to take this journey, I first want to introduce you to the lady y'all have been meeting as you came through the door. This is Elder Carly Town, the Minister of Information for the Gullah Geechee Nation. And I would ask y'all to give her a round of applause. Elder Carly Town is also the founder of the Gullah Geechee People Foundation. She was one of the first people to have a Gullah Geechee television show on the air in Charleston, South Carolina, where she's a native of what we call a hike, Union Heights, downtown Charlotte. All right? And so she has been out there in the field a long time, on the shoreline a long time, helping to make sure that the light shines and that the lighthouse is working. It's a hurtful feeling. The other day before I came here, I was at Hunting Island with all folks who up in here claiming Beaufort County, South Carolina. I was at Hunting Island, and we sat there until the sun was almost going down. And then I said, well, what's going on back there with the lighthouse? Because the light should have already come on. And the light was like in one spot. And it was just hovering against the wall of the interior of where it first starts to light from and then starts to spread out on the ship. And it was like it was stuck. But I could still see the light. But it was a hurting thing to know that it would not come out like it was supposed to, so that others could see. Because I've been out there when I saw it come on, and I could see how ships in the distance could see. And it was like they saw it as well as I did. And like y'all said, were guided in. So lighthouses sometimes need engineers. And so we have those human engineers that keep the light shining. And so fortunately, in the Gullah Geechee Nation, I'm the head of state for the Gullah Geechee Nation, but our Wisdom Circle Council of Elders exists, and our Minister of Information is one of the members of that Wisdom Circle Council of Elders. She is now the director of our official nonprofit for the Gullah Geechee Nation, which is the Gullah Geechee Angel Network. And so that is one of the sponsors for this event every single year. So once again, we thank the Gullah Geechee Angel Network for all their work. And another set of our sponsors for this year's event are in the audience. Frank and Audrey Peterman of Earthwise Production. I know that. And we want to definitely thank them because we met a long time back down the road. We met, I think, on the West Coast at the Mosaics Conference. And so we had an opportunity to connect there, and we know God made it so. Because from that day of connection and that banquet, ever since then, we've been together. And we all do work concerning the Underground Railroad, national parks, and the interaction of people of color in parks. So that's why we're starting in Samuel Devereux Jr. Park. All right? And also because in our communities, we often don't get funding to these buildings because they say they're underused. And if they're underutilized, they're the first ones whose budgets get cut. Do you know that this morning we asked for a photocopy of the mailing list because we felt we would not have enough copies for all the people who are going to show up? And the sister had to say to us, if I can find paper, because they cut our budget so short, I got to go look and see if we got paper. And we try to provide this activity by donation so that everybody can bring their family, so that no one is excluded every year. And every year God blesses us with people like Frank and Audrey who understand the value of the work that is going on. And they say, let us contribute to help sure that it continues, because it is a blessing to so many. And y'all are a blessing to us. So we thank Frank and Audrey. So even if you gave $1, if you gave 20, if you gave 50, 100 in that donation basket, it is as equal to us as what the sponsors each have given, because this is all for all of us. And so we thank y'all for coming with a giving heart. So we want to give y'all a round of applause. The Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition, which I founded, is also a sponsor along with the African Movement Productions. And you'll hear more and more about them throughout the day. But today, we have the blessed honor that our Minister of Information, Ella Carly Karen, can come forward and introduce this young lady that has formed the Lighthouse Theater. And what I love about it is that you see how it looks, as she says, the clubhouse. But you see how it's shaped? It reminds me of a praise house. And when I've been standing here this whole time, I feel like Big Daddy Mama and them on the front porch and all y'all did to y'all. Remember them swings? Yes. Right? Like y'all just on that swing. So just feel that breeze coming in from that clubhouse. Just feel that mist from that marsh. Just breathe it in. Coming off the creek while you sit you right at the clubhouse. And we're going to bring now Elder Carly, Minister.
Greetings, my family.
Greetings.
And I say family because you are my family. And it gets bigger and bigger every year. I thank you so much for coming. We welcome you from the Gullah Geechee Nation. And I'd like to introduce a young lady that I met about 2 years ago. I do plays, and the plays that I do are actually done in Gullah and Geechee. So I'm always looking for the adults to help with the youth. And I found some young people that were doing a lot of things. So I asked her, I said, I'm doing this play. Would you please come and help me? So she said, yes, Miss Carly, I'll come help you. So I said, okay. So she became one of the lead actors. Her name was Peaches at that time. And then after she started acting, she could sing. I said, well, would you come help me and would you sing too? She said, yes, Miss Carly, I'll do that. And so this year, after she had done the play with me last year, she came back this year to do another play. I said, can you do anything else? And she said, yes, I'm a puppeteer. I can do puppets. I said, wow. I said, and I bet they ain't Gullah and Geechee. And she said, well, yes, ma'am. I can do that too.